Hi everyone, my name is Lawal Mobalale and I'm Nigerian, but I'm presently in Libya. This is where I work, this is where I stay for now. And yeah, if you're just joining us, please do well to watch my previous videos so that you know what I talk about on this channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and God bless you. So my name is Lawal Mobalale, like I said, and today on today's video I'll be introducing you guys to my new hobby. If you are wondering why I'm saying my new hobby, please, that is the reason why you have to go back to my previous video so that you know what my hobbies used to be. I don't even know if I've discussed about that. Maybe I'll do that in my next video. But yeah, so I was just thinking about so many things, and during that process, while I was doing the thinking and everything, somebody made me this and also made me socks, so, and I was wondering, why can't I make my own socks and also make my own hat, since I've been here trying to do some things. I'm in Libya, so there's limitation to everything I can do, so things that used to make me happy, my hobbies that used to make me happy, things that I used to fall back on, there are things I cannot get where I am, there are things I cannot access where I am right now. So so yeah, I just have to find something else to distract me, something else as a means of distraction, so I don't swing into the depression or go back to that dark side. I don't really want to go back to that side, and so many other things too. Something that I can find, something I find myself doing, something that would interest me. So I decided to learn knitting. So I've seen so many videos on YouTube actually, so I'm doing some self-taught. I've been trying to teach myself, and then when I could not do it, I said, okay, let me just go on YouTube. So I watched so many videos on YouTube, and I've been practicing since yesterday. Knit chain and then go back again, do it again, I don't know. So I've been trying a lot since yesterday. So yeah, I got this and I also got this. So I've been trying to, so I just want to introduce my new hobby to you guys. So this is what I'll be doing for now. Let's see how interesting it gets. Let's see how far I can go. Let's see how good I can get. So I'll be able to, who knows, I might just be very good and start making my own top, my own trouser, my own skirts. You never can tell. So that is what I'm trying to do. This is what I am exploring now. So if you wish to go, if you're willing to go on this journey with me, see how far this can go, see how far I can go with this, see how far this can get. So please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and my name is still Lawal Mobalale, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.